I'm working at Partenamut, which is Belgian Social Security, a company of approximately 1,000 employees and something like 1,400,000 customers. We started working with Genesys 7 years ago and actually did an upgrade in 2014 because we were so expanding that we really needed an IVR that was more in sync with either our customers and our agents also. Before that we had a very flat IVR, which was okay for the customers, but was more and more difficult for us for our knowledge database. We had training for 8 weeks before an agent could take up his phone, so it was very difficult in training costs, but also in churn costs. So we decided that we really needed an IVR, but of course an IVR that wasn't going to annoy the customers. So we really wanted an IVR that wasn't noticed by the clients. And actually we started in October last year. And we had only one complaint for the IVR, which was really a big success because Genesys offered us the possibility to have automatic recognition of our clients, telephone recognition by also national number, like we are in healthcare. All Belgians have a national number, but with that number and with the telephone number they could be automatically identified. Didn't have the problem to say where they're calling from because we knew for what they were calling for, and also we knew the language in which they were calling, if they were client or non-clients. And so a lot of questions that we asked before were solved by Genesys. We had like 50% transfers, 15. And with Genesys we reduced it at 0 because we recognize immediately the client, we recognize it for what he was calling, and he was immediately forwarded to the good service. So at the end, the upgrade of October that we did had a cost reduction of, I don't know it in figures, but I know it in full-time equivalents. We reduced of 6.2 full-time equivalents on, I have 100 full-time equivalents working at the contact center approximately.